The challenges with legacy data are the same as they ever were. In a sense, nothing has changed, but then everything has changed. I mean, if you take an example of cars on a freeway, we've always driven cars on freeways, right? But you look at the explosion of population in places like China, where, sure, we've always had cars on freeways, but now we have literally millions, if not billions, of cars on freeways. So one challenge, it's the same thing with data, is that we've always been challenged with managing data, but now there's just so much of it that that is a challenge. And it's not a challenge anymore so much around the volume of the data. It's not that the technology can't handle it. It's picking and choosing what matters to do with the data. I kind of correlate it with chaos theory, for example. In chaos theory, with entropy and all of the things that are just happening in the universe, becoming less and less organized, more and more disorganized, we've got the exact same thing with all this proliferation of data. Now, it's not that we can't handle it, it's that it's chaotic. So how do we move from, yes, I want to do something with data, to I'm going to do this and I need this data to do it? And that's the biggest challenge. Now, what Capgemini and SAP can do, as you've noticed, I'm not talking about technology yet. I'm talking about assessing where you are in the journey, assessing where you are from a cultural perspective to be able to adopt a data-driven culture, being closer to the business so that they trust you, and then driving data into the business so that they get excited about it. Then, so those are assessments and planning sessions that we can have with our customers and with SAP, between Capgemini and SAP. And then we will eventually get to who's driving the data, who's consuming the data, who's responsible for the trustworthiness of the data. And if we understand those who's, if you will, that will serve to jointly with SAP and Capgemini create a proper platform by which to do what you're trying to accomplish. You don't just build a platform and they come.